Hi everybody, it's me again, and I wanted to share with you my planner dangles that are going onto the 10 TNs that I am finally done with, I believe, I think, I hope. So, it's early. I just posted the video of the entries to my giveaway, and it's 6:38 now. Hubby just texted me saying he's going to take a little longer than he thought. So I thought I would do this video sharing just the planner dangles that I made. Now they don't have to be planner dangles. They could be dangles for anything. But I do have 10 TNs that will be going into the shop soon. I'm hoping today, but we'll see. Today's the 10th of July. Sorry, I don't even know what day it is. But I think they're done. I just gotta put them in the shop and of course do the video showing them all. But I needed to make 10 sets of dangles to go because I usually like to make at least 2 of each TN, and I wanted to show you how I'm using some of the stuff that I have been finding. So if you recall one of my Walmart hauls, I'm gonna put this to the side, I picked up these earrings. You know, you get 2 in a set, of course. I'm just trying to get the 2, and it's not something that I would wear. It's a little, actually that matches my nails pretty well. So I picked up these earrings. They were on clearance. I got a whole bunch of different colors, and I always go, when I go to Walmart, if I'm by myself, of course, not with my husband because he likes to just go in and go out, but I'll check out their little jewelry section where they have clearances, and I always look for stuff that I could use as dangles or even just as embellishments. Because you know, when you buy stuff like this as crafty purpose or crafty related ones, they're expensive. So, and then you get a couple, you know, 2 out of, you can cut this into many different pieces. So they are earrings, and what I did was I cut off this top one. I didn't cut it off, actually. You can open the little loop that it's on without breaking it. So that's what I did, and save this piece, and later on I'll use it after I cut off the earring back. And I made 4. See, and they have different colors. These are all earrings still. I haven't, you know, taken apart yet. So I made 4, and then I had also purchased, and I can't remember where, a strand of these. They come with 4. I think it was Michael's maybe, and I took 2, so they come connected. Really, really pretty. I took 2 and I added a little dangle on the bottom because they do have loops on both ends, and those dangles, I don't recall where I got these from either, but maybe these are Blue Moon beads, I'm not sure, Joann's or Michael's, or even Hobby Lobby. But I used these on paper clips before, but then I wanted to add a little something on this. I didn't want it to make it too big, so I turned that into a clip. And I didn't want to make them too bulky, so I did 2 of those. Really pretty. That's the back of those. I'll show you the back of this. And since they all have little loops, you can even, you know, change this out if you wanted to. But, and then here's the white one out of the earrings, and my cat's gonna pass through. Okay, I can't see the screen. There we go. And they have different metal colors, like this one's the gold, that one was the silver. And then these are simple. They're just the tassels that we've been finding. This might have been the ones off of the Dollar Tree tassels that they had. So, and then this was from Michael's. This is the Recollection tassels. Went with the, was it unicorn? I don't know what it was called. But I left them like this, and because this is going to go with the mystical, I don't know what it's called, the TN that I have. It's got unicorns and fairies and mermaids, and it's got all these colors on the rainbows. I left them long, so when I put them on there, and whoever buys this particular one with these tassels, they could cut it if they want, but I thought it looked kind of cute, kind of like the unicorn's tail or the mane. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you how this one looks on one of the TNs, and then the other one I'll show you too. So here's one in the rose gold. This is actually going to go with this one, but look at how pretty that is. Just clip it on. You could clip it here if you like. So that one's going to go on that one. This one is going on this. Whoops. And this one this is a Parisian theme inside. And the white one's going on this one here. This one is, oh, this one's, I forgot the name of that, but you recognize that image there. I don't want to show too much because I'm going to do a whole separate video on those TNs. This one's a little more simpler, but it's kind of a glam theme. If I sell all of these, I might do a little shopping for like charms and things, just to have some extra stuff, because my stash is depleting. No, wait, this is the wrong one. Hold on, not the right one, sorry. So this is the one that's like fairies, mermaids, and unicorns. But you see I have rainbow in here, and I thought that would be cute with this. And like I said, it's long. If you are buying one of these, you can always cut it down, but I kind of like that. Okay, so those are my planner dangles, and stay tuned for the TNs that will be coming up soon, hopefully today. Thanks again. I'll see you guys next time.